Hello world, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's tutorial is very easy to make. It's just a normal heart with tassels. Okay, so first of all, what I usually do is I make this small circle. Okay, so not too big but very small. I insert my hook. By the way, I'm using a 5mm hook and a yarn of size number 4. So next I make a single crochet to put it in place. Then I'm making 12 double crochets into the same small circle. Okay, so just double crochet, yarn over and make 12 times. Okay, so guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, give me a like, give me a hype, comment below, share this video to others. Okay, so I'm making 12 double crochets into the same circle that I made. Guys, when you're done with your 12 double crochet, you will insert your stitch marker over here. Okay, so to just for an indication to tell you where you are starting and where you are ending. So you make a single crochet to end it and you put your stitch marker there. Now guys, with the next row you're going to make 2 double crochet in each of the stitch holes that you have created. So you make 2 double crochets in each of the stitch holes. So you've made 1, this is the second one. Okay, you move on to the next stitch hole, you make 2 double crochets. So you're making 2 double crochets till we get to where our stitch marker is. So in all we are going to make like 24 stitches. Yeah guys, so with the next row what you're going to do here is you're going to make 1 double crochet in the first stitch hole, then 2 double crochet in the next stitch hole. So 1 double crochet in the next stitch hole, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch hole. So it's like you're alternating between 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So you make 1 double crochet, then the next stitch will take 2 double crochet until we get to the end. And when you get to the end, the next row is going to take 1 double crochet in the first one, then the next is also going to take 1 double crochet, then in the third you make 2 double crochets. So the first is going to take 1 double crochet, second 1 double crochet, then in the third you take 2 double crochets. So all these things are increasing it until we get to where the stitch marker is. Now the next row, the next 3 stitch holes is going to take 1 double crochet. So the first one will take 1 double crochet, second 1 double crochet, third 1 double crochet, and the fourth is going to take 2 double crochet. Then you're going to repeat again 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochets. Okay, guys, so at this stage it is big enough for a normal adult size. So the next row is just going to take 1 double crochet throughout, 1 double crochet throughout, round and round and round. And as you continue making it round and round, you see that it will gradually become like this. You don't need any magic for it. It will gradually fold and become like a hat. So I made 5 rows of the 1 double crochets round and round. And in the next row, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my loop stitches. And I realized that the loop stitches work well with single crochets. So yeah, so instead of double crochets, I'm going to make 5 rows of single crochets, making the loop. So with the loop, you just pull your thumb and pull the yarn forward, then you make a single crochet into the next stitch hole like this. Okay, you leave it hanging, you pull your yarn forward, then you make your single crochet, pull the yarn forward with the thumb, then you make a single crochet. Okay, so no rush. This part is very tricky. You just make this round for 5 times. Okay, so 5 rows of the loop stitches. Guys, after the 5th row, this is what I had. Yeah, so this is our normal heart. Now we are going to make the tassels. Okay, so with the tassels, you take your yarn, and I just put my stitch markers at the side of my heart. So I counted 5 rows, then I placed my stitch marker there, and on the other side, so I made the same. Okay, so this way tassels are going to be fixed. Then I made a yarn of 35 inches. Yeah, so 35 inches tall, long. Then I fold it again like this, okay, to make several yarns of the same height. Okay, so I made 50 of them. If you want it bigger, if you want your tassels to be bigger, you make more yarns. Okay, so I made 50 yarns for one side, and the other side too I made 50. So you cut off your excess, then you shape or you trim the edges. Now we are going to work in the 3 stitches that we have. So the first one is where our stitch marker is, then before the stitch marker and after the stitch marker, that's where we are going to place so I divided my yarn into 3. Then I located the first loop before my stitch marker, pull my yarn through like this, then I tie it. Okay, so I just brought one side of through like this, and yeah, tie it. Then the second part of the yarn goes to where the stitch marker is, so the same thing. Make sure this place you use a bigger hook for it so that you'll be able to pull all the yarn through at once. Okay, brought my yarn through. Yep, here we go. Then the last one goes after your stitch marker. Okay, this loop. Okay, so now it's just to make your bubbles. So you just tie your yarn, and I'm making 3 of them. You can make 2, 4 depending on how long you want it. Okay, yeah, I'll make another one here. And another one. Okay, so I shaped the edges to make it straight, and guys, this is so simple. You make the same for the other side of your heart here, and you're good to go. This is very simple. You can make this in any color of your choice. You can make it any size that you want, and yeah, so guys, at the end, this is what I made. It's very simple and easy to make, very beautiful to cover your ears throughout this winter. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as well. See you guys in my next video. Bye.